Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. I just got out of the shower. It's 2 o'clock. Yeah, I took an afternoon shower. I just felt really gross and icky because I was cleaning the house earlier, swept the house, vacuumed the house. I cleaned my whole vanity area and my nightstand area, and I took the big boys outside to play frisbee. They really love their frisbee toy. So I was sweaty, had to take a shower, and my hair was disgusting. I haven't washed my hair in about 3 days, so it was much needed. I feel so nice and clean now. But yeah, so today is Wednesday. So you guys know my trip is coming up this weekend. We are flying Saturday super early in the morning. Our flight is at 6 a.m. so we will have to be at the airport no later than 4:30 in the morning. Fun. Yesterday, my mom, she did my nails for the wedding, and I've been wanting rounded nails for a long time, and I could never grow my nails long enough for it. But now I was able to finally, and so I got purple rounded nails. I'm not sure if you guys can see. I love it. It's just one of the powders that my mom currently has at home. I wanted to have blue nails so it can match the outfit I'm wearing for the wedding. I'm not sure if you guys remember, but a couple of vlogs ago, before my Salt Lake City trip, I bought a light blue romper from TJ Maxx, and I was planning on wearing that to my trip, but I ended up not bringing it. So I'm going to be wearing that to the wedding. I also went to Target yesterday. I got a cute little wedding card for them. It says, "So happy for you too. Congratulations on tying the knot." Super cute card. Going to sign down there for me and Eric, and you know, give them some moolah for their wedding, for their special day. I also got some travel stuff to bring along. I got the coconut and vanilla native body wash. It's so cute, it's so small. And then I also got new shampoo and conditioner. This is a more high-end brand. It's from the Ulta section at Target. I just want something that would be good for my hair. And I've seen this brand so many times already. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I got their detox shampoo. I heard about Bumble and Bumble before, really good brand. When I used to work at a hair salon, I was the receptionist at a hair salon. They used to carry Bumble and Bumble there, and we used them on the clients. I got the Hairdresser's Invisible Oil Conditioner. So I got that as well. So I'm gonna pack these things along for our trip. I'm home alone by myself with the dogs. They're really quiet because, like I said earlier, I was playing with them and it's hot outside. So they're super tired. Work is really slow. This week is just going to be really slow because of Memorial Day weekend that just passed. So I really have nothing going on at work. Yesterday I went into work for 2 hours and I'm like, okay, I'm gonna go home now. There's no point of me being here. I checked the weather and it's going to be amazing in Seattle. The weather is going to be low 50s at night and then high 60 to low 70s during the day. And San Juan Island is going to be a bit chillier. Oh, it's going to be beautiful. It's going to be sunny and chilly. I'm excited. Okay, let's figure out what to bring for the trip. This is the romper I am going to be wearing for their wedding. Long sleeve romper, and then you can either tie this in the front or in the back. But I think it's so beautiful, and the purple nails will just pop right out. I love the color. I've been getting a lot of compliments that blue looks great on me, so that's why I've been buying a lot of blue stuff. But I just love this. So this is what I'm going to be bringing. If you guys also remember, these are the shoes or heels I'm going to be wearing. Might wear it with the pearls on. Who knows? We'll see how I feel when I get there. If I wear this on, I might wear my headband. Hold that thought. I might just pack my headband, the beaded pearl ones, so I can wear it with the outfit. I have two, by the way. One of them gives me an awful headache because it has a metal band. This is the one. This is the one that's like extremely comfortable. Yeah, I can wear this. Fun. So my brother and I are going to stay in Seattle for one whole day, explore the city because my brother's never been there before. And after that, the next 3 days will be in San Juan Island. Get to explore that too. Okay, I think I got everything I need for our trip. 1, 2, 3, 4 outfits and the romper for the wedding. Sorry, the fan is on. I was trying things on and it got a little hot. It's going to be a super casual trip, nothing too fancy. So I brought a lot of comfy clothes. I'm going to wear this with this top on Tuesday so that way I'm comfortable on the flight back home. This is just an extra outfit just in case I need a shower again, I got dirty again. But this is just the top that I got from Ross. It's that Van Gogh top, aliens sitting there. Cafe Terrace at night. This with some workout leggings. I have one outfit to wear to sleep. It's only for 3 nights, so this will be good. White shorts and this really pretty lilac top I got from Shein. Wear this out and about if you want to take some photos. So it's just, again, workout leggings. I got this crop top. I don't know if this is yeah, just a crop top from Target that I got. It's super stretchy and comfortable. Haven't worn it yet, but this would be my outfit to wear to Seattle. And yeah, so I think this is pretty much everything. 1, 2, 3. I think 3 pairs of socks would be good. Yeah, and then underwear, bra, 1 pair of bra. Yeah, that should be good. That should be it. Okay, finished packing all of that. There's still other things that I need to pack the day before, but for the most part all the outfits and clothes are done. Oh good. Oh, that was hot. Oh, I left Newman outside so he can go use the restroom. I think he's out there sunbathing. Are you sunbathing? You wanna go inside now? It is too hot, right? Come on, let's go inside. Time to check on some work emails. Nothing. Nothing. Junk. Okay, so I have 1 email to work on. That's it. Yeah, it's a very quiet day. I want something refreshing to drink, like a smoothie or something, but no, I don't want to step out because as soon as I walk out, I'm sweating and I just showered, so I'm not gonna do that. Nope. Good morning, guys. It's the next day, working from home. Last night I had a really good talk with my friend Henry. We had a 2-hour phone conversation and it was just nice catching up. And I actually started on one of the books that Joe gave us when we got back from our trip. He gifted us the 4 Agreements collection. It's the Toltec Wisdom collection. There's 3 books in here. Almost done with this one. I'm reading the 4 Agreements. I really like it. I'm using a passport as a bookmark. But these are like short books. They're not really long, so you can get through them pretty quick. But I do like it. I completely forgot that Joe gave this to us. It's just been sitting on our bookshelf for a long time. And I've been meaning to read it, but I just always forget. But now I'm like, you know what? I need to take the time to just sit back, relax, and enjoy a book and read. I also forget that my brother has at-home gym set up in the garage, and I always forget that he does. So I am gonna go work out in the gym today, and then I need to water my mom's garden in the backyard. That is my day. Home alone again. Everybody's at work. All right, I'm gonna read this and check back in with you guys. Okay, I just finished the 4 Agreements. A very good book, a very good self-help book. It's a short read, only 135 pages. I am going to start on the Mastery of Love now. So, time to read this, book number 2. All right, I am taking a break from reading, but I've decided I'm just gonna go ahead and water the garden in the back, play with the dogs outside, and work out. Why not? I have nothing else to do. You guys, I'm just wearing my gray biker shorts and this sports bra I got from TJ Maxx. It is very comfortable. I really like it. Ready to go outside? 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 Here's their busted up frisbee. This is going to rip any second now. excited. Come on, let's play. Mega, he's always the one that catches the frisbee. I'll show you. Whoa! That was pretty bad. All right, let me throw it better. But poor Menace, he never catches the frisbee. There you go. Yeah, I'm wearing gloves because I don't want to get my hands dirty and all their slobber. So I always wear gloves when I'm playing with them, whether it's a frisbee or a ball. It's a beautiful sunny day. Well, they destroyed it. Today is the day. We can't throw this anymore. It's ruined. Look. Womp. I swear I've at least thrown it about 50 times already. Mega 50. Menace 0. He has not caught the frisbee at all. Alright, time to throw this away, buddy. Okay, you guys play with each other. I'm gonna water the garden. Oh snap, I didn't know there was a fan in here. This is perfect because I was getting a little too hot, but look, this is the setup in the garage. We have an outside refrigerator. This was our old refrigerator growing up here. Me and Aaron, very old. A drying rack, and yeah, this is the setup. I'm doing some arm workouts here, some back workouts, so let's go. Okay, I am back from working out in the garage. Workout was really good. I did 40 minutes of arm and upper body. Ooh, my arms are like slightly shaking. I made myself a protein shake with the Orgain powder, frozen blueberries, and fresh strawberries. And I also added chia seeds. So that would be my lunch. Cheers. Oh, that's so refreshing. Okay, it's been a few hours later. It's basically 5:30 now. Alexander should be home in about an hour, but I just realized my mom brought home some more dipping powder colors. I am excited. Look at these bright pink for the summertime, that blue, and this pretty teal color. I would say it's teal, like a minty color, and then yellow. Ooh, you guys, I am excited. All summer long, baby. Fun, bright, colorful nails. That's what we're going for this summer. I forgot to mention the last video, we ended up watching the Super Mario Bros. Movie, and it was really good. I enjoyed it. It brought back a lot of memories growing up playing the game. It's just really nostalgic, and I really like the Peaches song. So we're a little bit behind on the movie, but it was good. Just waiting for Alexander to get home so we can hang out. My hair is crazy. And then maybe read some more tonight. We'll see. It's now 9:30. Alexander came home. We went to grab dinner at Afra's, actually. It's been a while since we've been there. It was really good. It's always good and great service. I was planning on reading more tonight, but I'm just too tired. I want to just lay in bed and watch my crime shows. You guys let me know what is your favorite part in your skincare routine. I will have to say the toner is one of my favorite. And the serums. I already have my nose retainer on because once I hit the bed tonight, I am not getting up. Alright guys, I think I'm going to wrap up this video here. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you like. And I will see you guys very soon.